got to San Diego for the weekend. I'm celebrating 4th of July with Anna and Emily down in San Diego. And Anna just gave me my birthday gift. It's so nice. I've never gotten anything from here before, so we're gonna open it together. A little unboxing. Wait, it's so cute. Thank you, Anna. This is the nicest gift ever. I love you. Wow. I'm gonna wear it this weekend. It's so pretty. Wow, what a great start to my weekend.
Two lenses, so that's a shorter one.
Wow, thank you. I love you so much. Baby's first mess. Anna, it smells so good in here. Anna's making us dinner tonight. What did you make us?
Homemade.
Where is it in there? Oh gosh. I'm so excited. Wow, Anna, you've outdone yourself. I'm excited for the future. Okay. We are Reunited in San Diego. Yay! So cute! There's 2 of them. Baba's just like, whatever. Gonna go mango for desserts. This is the mango kakigori from Mango. Looks so good.
The flower.
You eat the flower.
No, you eat the flower. Oh, my dress matches.
Yeah, yellow.
We gotta dig our way down to the sticky rice.
Yeah. I did not find the sticky rice though.
Is the sticky rice just that? Or is the sticky rice?
What is this? Is this the rice?
No, that's the pudding.
It's kind of hard though. But I think this is the rice. It's like a hard thing. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
No, I think that the inside is.
No, I got a chunk of rice.
Really?
It's a hard thing. Taco. Ours is the winner. Oh, see, big rice. Big rice. This place is so good. I would definitely come back. It's so soft, the shaved ice. It just melts in your mouth. Anna wants another one, so Michael's back in line over there. Which one are you getting?
Taro.
Ooh. Wow. The taro one. Good morning. It's the next day. We are gonna go brunch, the girls. This is the fit for today. The weather's so nice here, and then I'm wearing the necklace Anna got me. And then a little top, a little skirt. Let's go to brunch. How cute. Anna says this brunch spot is inside a museum. Everything's so cute here. It's so cute. The weather's so nice.
I feel like I'm on vacation.
Girl, you are on vacation. Hello. Then we have a little ocean view. How pretty. Okay, we got the grilled prawns. We got an avocado salad and chicken. And then we got the fresh mozzarella sandwich with peaches and fries. Okay, ready to eat?
Oh, yeah.
Cheers. The sandwich is like peaches and cream. Can I try the salad?
No, because she spent time salads. I mean, I was.
Like a few years ago, I came and I made a video on like these ones when it first started.
Whoa, those are
And then it went super like mega viral.
We're at Parisian Gourmandizes. I don't know how to pronounce it. Basically, this place. And we got all of the hyper realistic fruit dessert cakes. This is mango passion fruit, right? This is champagne raspberry. We got a mango one over there, and then we have the lime one. Okay, we're gonna do a little taste test and a little ASMR crunch of each one of the desserts we got. And then, so we're gonna have, who wants to go first? Show them. How's it taste?
It's really good.
Yeah? Okay.
It's very soft. You want to try?
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's something in there. Oh.
Wow. Or do it the other way. Yes. How is it? Is it good?
very
I'm
mango-y.
gonna cut in the middle and see.
Check it out.
Ooh.
Now I'm gonna go in the middle.
Yes.
Feel something.
Oh. Very nice. Ooh,
Ooh, it's
there's
fun.
fruit inside. Wait,
Oh my god, that gummy thing looks really good.
it looks so delicious. I'm gonna try the mango one now.
Oh my god.
How's that?
Yeah, there's like actual mango fruits in it, and it's not too sweet, which is why I
Wow,
like
the
it.
skin is crunchy.
Oh, did they use actual skin?
I don't think so, did they?
The chocolate.
Oh, white chocolate on the outside.
I think this one's better than the other mango.
Yeah.
I think that one's orange.
No,
Mango.
this is mango.
Oh, it
Passion
tastes like
fruit or
orange.
something.
It's
Mango
I
orange.
think this one's more moussey.
Ooh.
I want to try it. Mm.
That one's good.
Mm.
Oh no, I only got shell.
Oh no, go
This
go
one's
deeper.
This one's my favorite.
Yeah.
I want to buy it.
This is pretty good. Wow. This girl
Wait, we should have switched sides. I'm a little cross from here.
Dude, the white.
I got a free blowout from M.
We went to Dreamy and I was gonna say blew out your hair. They
Basically.
curled her hair.
For free. And now we might buy it. We'll see if these curls hold till tomorrow. If they do, we're gonna come by and all buy a set.
And we got a $100 coupon.
And free pens. So we're gonna try out Mosa tea in San Diego. It's new. I think it's Taiwanese owned. Anna has a friend who works here, so they're gonna have us try some drinks before we go to dinner. And I'm super excited. There's like different options, and they all sound really yummy. So I'm pretty excited. Okay, we have the pistachio cream special, the non-caffeinated roasted buckwheat barley milk tea with the jelly, an apple tea. Ooh. Yeah, shake it up. You're still shaking, bro?
Trying to get cold.
Yay.
Good.
Yeah? Non-caffeinated one, because I already had caffeine today. Try the apple one. Oh, this is good. Okay, now we're gonna go dinner. We're at Jomaru Korean Hot Pot in San Diego. And we're
Going in on the side dishes.
Yes,
To fight the parking.
To fight someone for parking.
But now we're eating and it looks so yummy. Actually, I feel like I'm getting hungry now.
Oh yeah?
Pancake. Yes. Very nice, Michael. Very nice. Wow, it's as tall as you.
나 여기다 발랐어. 퍼지나?
Spin again.
That's it.
Cheers, my friends. We're getting recruited to the yachts.
We're at Gaslamp.
We have no idea.
We're in NorCal.
Just taking a double.
Had a crazy night last night in the Gaslamp district. We went bar hopping and it was wild. And we woke up this morning, got pho, and then now we're out in Little Italy at M Winehouse. I have a little collaboration with them and we're gonna do some wine tasting and some charcuterie. Really cute here. It's like a little house. We have the dogs with us. Hi Zuko. There's Fava. So cute. It's like a little house. Everyone's on the little patio area. This is the Slay It monster drink. I mean wine.
We got this.
This, yes. Oh. Oh. Very nice. And then doggo content.
This is Va.
This is Bava.
That's Zuko.
Zuko.
When they're together, it's Vako.
Vako. That's your new nickname.
Or Zuva?
Zuva. Sounds Mediterranean. So let's debrief last night. Anna had 2 danger dogs. Tell them why. She was like really selling it, helping the guy sell hot
The
dogs.
second one, he like really made the bread super like caramelized and crispy on the inside.
Thanks.
So when you bite on it, the bread is very crispy.
Yeah, so it's basically.
And then he adds a lot of cilantro and onions. And on top of the whole hot dog, he put a whole jalapeno.
It was so good.
And then
full salad.
And then the hot dog, like the dog itself, is so crispy on the outside. It's so juicy on the inside. There's bacon wrap.
Why so like?
Well, she's still thinking about it.
I have nothing to add here because I don't remember the dogs.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
I was feeding you.
Last night was wild. Yes, Emily ate half of it. Apparently, I tried to give money to a homeless person, and then the homeless person didn't take my money. So that was humbling. I was telling them how apparently I gave homeless person money and they didn't want my money.
I also have no recollection.
At least I know my heart's in a good place even when I'm drunk. A little charcuterie action.
Shakuchi.
Charcuterie board. And they even have hawthorn, which I usually associate with like Chinese cuisine and snacks, but can you grab me one?
Literally everything.
Thank you. You see the hawthorn? It won't focus, but I feel like I should add a hawthorn to my charcuterie boards now. I never thought to. I never had it in this texture either. Usually it's like little. We are at the dog park now. Oh, hi, you're so pretty. Hello. New friend. That one's so cute.
Zuko's like glitching out. I took my online course finals at the library in Coronado.
Oh, really? Is it nice?
No.
Oh. You heard it here first, folks.
Their computers were from the 90s.
Oh,
It was a Windows 90s something.
we are going to the condo to party for 4th of July.
Yeah, that red, white,
And blue. So festive. Look at how insane the views are
insane views of the people.
And we are here.
We got front row seats.
Front row seats for the fireworks tonight. I'm jealous of this person grilling over there. It looks so good. I'm so hungry. Oh, it's like golden hour right now.
Oh, look, red, white, and blue.
Did Anna bring her camera?
I made her bring it, yeah. We're headed to dinner now. We're just walking
Like
along.
an American flag.
Yes.
This was
Red, white, and
unplanned
blue.
matching with Jackie.
Red, white, blue. Yeah. Red, white, and blue. We're just walking around trying to see what looks good for dinner, and then we might buy it and then bring it back to the condo and eat it. Yeah. Shout out to Al, Anna's dad, for cooking it up. We have beachfront views, and we're gonna have fireworks show. Like, we're gonna be able to see the fireworks and not have to deal with like all these crowds. And then
People have been camping since morning.
yeah, and we just showed up, so very grateful. We feel very blessed today.
Yep.
And I'm so hungry, I'm ready to eat. Okay. This is the chicken gyro, lamb and beef, gyro fries, hummus, a little sandwich. Thank you. We're having Greek food today at Spiro's. These fries were only $10.
All the beef.
Dinner was so good. We inhaled that. The chicken was so juicy and not
Anna
dry.
has a 4-pound food baby in her.
Now we're getting gelato from Parfait Paris.
No, there's no way.
Oh shoot. I always need a sweet treat.
Dude, there's like
May I touch your bump?
it's 3 months. I feel like 3 months is not even that big.
Get this, they have the Dubai chocolate in croissant form. The desserts are so cute. Look at this mango bliss one. Got the mango passion fruit. Which one did you get?
I got the pistachio blossom, but I don't think there's any blossom in here.
It's just pistachio.
Very creamy.
Nice, refreshing. We'll get back to the condo. Anna's gotta do her makeup, and we gotta take sunset photos. But the sun's already setting, so we gotta hurry.
Your face.
Oh,
USA.
Nothing screams nationalist. Sunshade.
yeah. You don't need to buy the visors. You just wear this.
I don't even know where I am.
Yeah. We are playing Scotland Yard. This is the second round because we caught Anna.
We didn't like.
I was just here.
Yeah, the seventh step.
Created a group chat with the rest of them, and I said I think she's on 143, and then we made Michael move on 143 and got her. Sorry, Anna.
I was so cocky. I did not use any of these.
You can move to this subway station.
artifact at, how do you pronounce that? Minge?
Michael says order.
Like a museum.
Then let's just order that for.
Yeah. Because then like, so excited. Getting hungry.
Yeah, we are.
And the shrimp
Don't get angry
dumplings.
as long as I know when I'm gonna eat. If it's
Some
like
meatballs.
arbitrary when I'm gonna eat, then I'm gonna eat. But just set time.
Salad. Pork danda noodles.
Oh,
That's
the left.
because other people touch that. No,
I just saw it.
it's
Yeah, I
not
think if you
worth
want
the risk
to-
reward.
That's true. I guess we. Yeah.
Is he blowing his coat like crazy right now too?
Anna knows all the best photo spots, so she's being our momager and taking all our photos today.
I take all my friends who visit San Diego.
Yes.
She only gets
A lot
better
of
every
photo
time.
spots.
Yeah. Like we'll ask strangers to take our group pictures, and Anna will like.
Not as good as
Position
mine.
their phone. Make sure they don't.
Cute. It's so pretty here.
Where are we? They play music too.
Yes. It's a video. This is the strawberry shortcake. Jasmine tea with salted foam cream thing. And a strawberry matcha latte. Half. Yeah, come try. I got half an original, half Oreo waffle with an Oreo dip. And then we ordered a few more other drinks there, but we're waiting on them for now. But those ones are separate from the club. Cheers! We're at Happy Lemon right now in Convoy because I'm filming for their new yuzu green tea lemonade, matcha lemonade, and we're trying the waffle over there. Oh yeah. How's the waffle, Michael? Yeah. Yeah. Cute. Open your blind box. Cute.
I got a Michael.
It looks like you.
With white hair.
Ah, shit. We are at Dreamy. We're back at Dreamy getting the AirStyle Pros. Me and Anna are getting matching AirStyle Pros. So then I can finally do my hair.
Yay.
Anna bought a vacuum too, so now she's opening a second blind box.
You got the vacuum?
Yeah, she did. Wait, that one's so cute. Yeah. Oh, that's her. Oh, dang. Anna and Anna each got one. Now it's Emily's turn to get one. And we got
air
$50.
back.
Oh, okay. We basically got another $50 off per person. Originally $370, then they're on sale for $250, and now Anna and I are each getting it for $200.
Oh wow, you can negotiate.
No, it's because we spun the wheel and got a $50 off coupon. So Anna can save her other one for gifting us blind boxes in addition to our hairstyle. It's our dream boy for the dream me. Yes. So let's unbox it. These are all the little characters you can get. Anna got one that looks like her boyfriend.
Which one do you want?
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to figure.
I like the one with the bubble on his head, like a astronaut. Or I want secret. Secret. Clearly, I've never done an unboxing. Oh wait, we got the same one.
Got two Michaels.
I also got a Michael now. This one's cute. This was a shopping success, huh, Anna? This is a karage. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna feed Anna now before she gets hangry. Here. Here.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, wait, do we know
Got
if it's
the
that or? Oh, you've been here
cucumber.
This one is the, I think it's the shield classic.
And then that one is
That
the.
one that has a truffle.
Oh, okay. And then they both have clear broth.
Yeah, and they're both shoyu broth. I can do a pour.
Yes. Okay, ready and go.
But I don't know, the knee one, that's the handicap you can't really get. I'm like,
Thank you. Perfect.
City taco steak. I had a steak last night.
No, Aaron's steak is really good. He's mastering making a steak. It's the one thing. Oh yeah.
How does it feel to finally beat Aaron in poker?
feels amazing. She took my boyfriend's money.
I
took your money. No longer happy for you.
Emily, how does it feel to win and beat other Emily?
Now she took my money again. That's
She's
6-9.
right.
She got me on the river or whatever. That's right. I had you before.